Hey guys, it's Marie with WTI. Do you love crayons as much as I do?
There are quite a few things that drew me to this product, but one thing that I really love is that it can draw on construction paper. Construction paper is really hard to draw on, and it's hard a lot of times for you to see the colors, but it really shows up. It has so many different color varieties and even some rainbow colors like this one. You can twist it all the way up if you see how much wax it has, and then you can twirl it all the way back down. It covers a lot of surface area, and I push really hard on my crayons, and I love that it's really hard for these to break. So I break a lot less crayons, which means in the long run, I save more money. The colors are very vibrant and easy to mix.
So if you are looking for some high quality crayons that are really hard to break, if you push hard on paper like me, or if you just want a good quality crayon, whether you're an adult or a kid, these are amazing, and that's my point of view.